Don't give yourself stress in trading. Just use our scanner. Stop stressing yourself in trading. Just use our scanner. Now, quickly pay attention. Important time frames and steps for the best outcome using Pbx Scanner. Number one, daily for momentum and daily bias. 4 hours for structures and signal triggers. M30, M15 for triggers and short entries. M5, M3, M1 for sniper entries of the major triggers. So these are the major triggers, 4 hours and 1 hour. So let's go. Steps. Ordinarily, if you come in a new day, you want to go on daily. You want to see momentum. So when I come daily, this is a daily chart. The previous day candle. Of course, there was no significant kind of activities that you can say, okay, this can do. So it never swept here, neither here. So this make look an indecisive to an extent. So next you go to, so if you have candle that follow each other like this is a momentum, this is a momentum, this is a momentum, this is a momentum. Came back to the support, a very strong support level. So what do you do next? Go to 4 hours for structure. Now on 4 hour structure, very simple. What are we looking for? So this is structure. High, high, high. This is a sweep of liquidity, for instance. So stop learning don't know too much. Don't know too much. If you know too much, it's going to create problem for you. So 4 hours. Now, on Monday, we saw a buy here. So when you come in the morning, no sell, no buy. The buy was already up. No problem. So right now, the market is still strong. It's an uptrend. Why? Look at the support here. So you need to understand this your key level of support. So if I can find trade, but now this is 4 hours. So what do? So take the 4 hours that says sell, take your candle. Now go back to 15 minutes. So in going back to 15 minutes, you will have gotten the sell, right? This one. Yes, this 15 minutes. Was not too powerful though. Then what's going to happen? Still your moving average. The market is still above your moving average, nevertheless. So go to 5 minutes, right? So 5 minutes did not give a proper sell. Okay, no, it does not. Because this is the candle that carried the signal. You know what to check. So I'm not going to detail about that. I'll just give you a step. Now, so go to 3 minutes. Let's go 3 minutes. 3 minutes does not give us the best outlook too. Go to 1 minute. So in 1 minute, see the signal. This is the 1 minute signal. So this does not give us the best outlook. All right. So then your sell is to sell. If you don't know what to do, just use 0.01 if your account is very small. So this 147 pips as the stop loss. Expand and then come to 1 ratio to risk reward. Your profit is done. 147 pips and they make 330 pips. 318 pips made. Sweet and simple. Now the market continued to go down. Of course, when it went down this way, it got to a place that actually got rejected, and that's why you're looking at maybe to take the market. You can see that the momentum is still high, the uptrend is still strong. So what am I going to do? So ordinarily, when you take this trade, you have to return back to probably 4 hours or 30 minutes or 1 hour. So let's go to 15 minutes. So going to 15 minutes, what do you have here? So you have 15 minutes. So look at the market and 15 minutes. So go to 5 minutes, you see that the market actually came here and touches support. Then that will have formed a buy for you. So 5 minutes support, because you see that the market is still bullish. And so that's why you want to take the 5 minute support, go back to your 1 minute. So look at it. This is an entry. And then, of course, 1 ratio to risk reward. So you continue to go, you can see that it's trying to create a momentum back up. So we go back to our 30 minute or perhaps go back to our 1 hour. So going to your 1 hour is still just that same thing. So the support is still very strong. So you are still going to be within 30 minutes, within 15 minutes to find the sell. So that means you go to 15 minutes. So this one is becoming like a choppy kind of a thing. So, but the market is still strong up because this is a rejection at a 50 moving average. All right. So this sell ordinarily on 15 minutes ought to have been sold earlier. You don't. Then, so that means the momentum up is still very, very high. So if you take a trade here now, so that means you are going to you're going to put a stop loss above here, maybe by virtue of 5-minute time frame. And then this is it. This is a signal for sell. All right, here, look at it. But why the signal may not be too powerful for you, because the market is bullish. So you have to be very careful. So if you take a sell here, that means your stop loss have to be here. And chances are there that you're going to be stopped out above this. Then your take profit, 1 ratio, 2 risk reward. If you calculate it, now, sometimes if you calculate 1 ratio, 2 risk reward, getting here must have not gotten it, but you know that this is support. Now, the market will go down more until, except when it break this one. So breaking this one, return here, and that's what you are doing. So using this scanner is very simple and straightforward, but you will complicate issues for yourself when you try to highlight over no and all of that. Now, on Bitcoin, I got to sell, but it bounced up again. And look at what really happened. So you go to 4 hours, for instance, and I look at 4 hours. 4 hours is sell. Then you will have make the money. So look at sell on 4 hours. You click on sell. Here is sell. Then you come to 15 minutes. This simple on 15 minutes. This is not a confirm. You go to 5 minutes, right? Even this was not a confirm. That means it's not a good sell. So if you sell it, you are going to be very fast in taking your profit. So look at it. So on 5 minutes, I think on 3 minutes, I forgot. So 3 minutes, there was not even a powerful sell. So this sell is temporal. They didn't have given you a smooth signal. So that means you are going to take the trade from here without engulfing. Then your take profit, 1 ratio, 2 risk reward. That's what we're going to do. Please pay attention to this, very simple and direct. So you have taken your profit. You can see the market is jumping back up. That's what it means. So look at it. So because that was just a mere pullback. So taking this trade is very simple, irrespective of the instrument, either crosses, currency, commodities, and all of that is the same direction. Look at this now. We have this being rejected to no restricted, because it's not rejected. It was a rejection. It's not a rejection. It's piercing through, but this is sweep or a break of structure already. So let's go. You go to 15 minutes. You have a very smooth sell. Nothing. This is not for you. So don't struggle against the pillar. Also look at it. This is not your trade, because from the beginning it was not given a very smooth. Market has already paid. This is a rejection. All of those type of rejection, then you can always find a trade around that. So look at this, the same thing, US 30. So look at this, continue, and then that's 100, continue. So you just have to find a trade in a proper order so that you don't kick against the brick. So look at this one. So look at the signal. Then you come to 15-minute time frame. If it's from 4 hours, go to 15 minutes. This already is sell, but that sell may not be too long because the market is a bear. So this is a sell. So 1 ratio, 2 risk reward is your target. That's exactly how you go about, your trading instead of struggling as much as possible. So thank you very much, and use the scanner as fast as much you want to use it. Thank you very much, and do have a nice time. Thank you.